Mamaya na lang, oo. Tatawag na mga inip din.
Graduate. Kapit-bahay mo to, ma? Ikaw ba? Ikaw ah.
Libre ako yung dad.
Oo na, girl. Oo na.
Of the role that NCST has chosen to be the guardian and champion of the highest ideals of education. The face of the shield bears the following. The atom represents science as a vital tool and failed to respond to the call of heroism in defense of our nation.
Eyes with grace, 'cause you wanted me to stay.
To perform willingly my duties and responsibilities
Entire NCST family, and a great morning to everyone.
Watching videos. Dalawang pang camera na ako. Basta Sigma.
Yan. Suot mo muna nga. Dali, go, go.
Bra. Spectro Patronum.
Paano? Again.
Expectro Patronum.
Harry Potter.
Maganda yung mabulong.
Three, three, two, one. Thank you very much. So yun po yung ating mantra. That's our way of life. So please be seated. Thank you. Development Authority, and with the virtue of the power vested in me as your President and CEO, my dear students, today you go from being student.
Congratulations, graduates. You may now be seated. Zayas Mom. And pride. And this moment challenges you to pursue your dreams and achieve your ideals because NCST has inspired and enabled all of you.
Once again, congratulations to the graduates of 2025. This has been your MC Donna Shalvani Maranan saying congratulations and good night. We would like to acknowledge the following persons and groups who willingly dedicated their time and effort in making this event successful.
Minecraft walk. The hell? What the hell, bro?